When it comes to maintaining liver health, it's important to consume a well-balanced diet that supports liver function and minimizes stress on the liver. Here are 10 foods that are beneficial for liver health. 1. Leafy greens. Foods like spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in antioxidants and chlorophyll, which help detoxify the liver. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage contain compounds that support liver detoxification enzymes. 3. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, helping to flush out toxins. 4. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that benefit liver health. 5. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and cranberries are packed with antioxidants that protect liver cells from damage. 6. Citrus fruits. Lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which aids in the production of liver detoxifying enzymes. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support liver health and reduce inflammation. 8. Green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that promotes liver function and protects against liver diseases. 9. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support liver health. 10. Olive oil. Using olive oil in moderation instead of other fats can help reduce the burden on the liver and promote overall liver health.